Today is my last full day here in London, but it's nice staying in this hostel because there's a cool balance of like, you know, being a tourist, but then also kind of being like a college student or university student because, you know, you get to meet so many people. I was really surprised and taken off by the fact of how many new people I met from around the world. And, you know, it is also very sad because, you know, you get to see them for a couple of days and then they are basically going to like go back to where they were from, or they have another destination that they're going to head to. On another note, I also I want to say thank you to all the people I met in the hostel. Also, I want to just extend a big shout out to all the American service members that I met here, who were just looking like civilians, and I did not know that they were active military. And you know, it feels great, you know, being an American citizen, going out in a foreign country to, you know, in the middle of the night, but you are with some trained American military. So yeah, that was really comforting. Appreciate you guys for your service. Yeah, I'm about to just grab a quick drink, and then I'm gonna head straight to Big Ben. Hello everyone from London. We are on a walking tour. We're going to the Shakespeare's Globe. We're here. Westminster Big Ben is right there. But yeah, we're just gonna go on a walk. We'll show you guys some things we see along the way. Lively out here. Yep, that's so good. It's not as bad. Alright guys, so we're wrapping up the day here. We're gonna go enjoy the last couple hours in the sun with some people we met and say our goodbyes and make sure I got everything before I have to leave. My flight's at 5:45 in the morning. But yeah, you want to say anything? Cheers. Anyway, if you guys are looking for a place to stay in London, highly recommend St. Christopher's Inn Hostel, as it is a very friendly and social vibe. And that's all. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Nothing else needs to be said. But yeah, bye bye.